We are looking at a Vista suite on board the luxurious Oceania Regatta. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. We're having a look here in the half bath. So it is a 1.5 bath accommodation here. You can see here in the main foyer salon area, living room. In the Vista suite you do have Butler Service, so you have a phone here. You can call your butler 24 hours a day. You do get bar set up with, I believe, 6 bottles of liquor of your choice, delivered to your room by the butler. Samsung flat screen TV with sound bar and subwoofer, which is very rare on cruise ships. Of course, all the bottled water and whatnot is included. Here's a nice look in the main living room area. See, we have a couch with coffee table, 2 chairs, nightstands. Great artwork on Oceania cruise ships. You can spend all day doing an art tour on board if you like. Welcome Moet Chandon, champagne for you. Welcome canapes. Some more artwork here. And we'll have a look in the master bed area. One unique feature, if you book a penthouse or above on Oceania, you get the Sweet Dreams pillow menu. And have a look at all the different types of pillows that you can request from your butler. King size bed here with big headboard. And you do have a writing vanity desk here with North American and international ports. This is Currents, it's the daily calendar, so you know everything that's going on. And they do have Canyon Ranch as the spa program. We'll have another smaller flat screen TV here in the bedroom area with a DVD player. And another writing desk here. They do provide a laptop computer for use in case you don't want to bring your own. This is a connecting door here in case you want to have a family accommodation. So that will connect to another room. Of course, you'll get the welcome slippers and bathrobes, plenty of closet space here. They do have free laundry on Oceania, but they also have laundry service if you'd rather have that. Oh, and a cashmere blanket for you to use if you want to sit outside when it's cooler. They do typically send the Regatta to Alaska in the summertime. And we'll have a look here in the master bath. Of course, you get only the best Bulgari amenities. Single marble sink. Have a look here. And single head. Sorry for the echo. And a full glassed-in shower with removable shower head. And a rainfall head as well. And a shower seat. Now we'll have a look out on the veranda. You can see the Vista suites here on the bow of the ship, so you'll have the captain's view essentially. Crew hard at work. We're in the port of Miami today. It's a great day in the lower 70s right now. And there's the bridge right above. Alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing the Vista suite here on board the Oceania Regatta. It's the second largest accommodation on board. And I am a luxury travel agent, by the way, so if you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Oceania Regatta, I'd love to hear from you about it. And in most cases, I can improve on the offer that you would have directly with Oceania. Even if you've already booked that cruise within the past 30 days through the North American offices, not through Europe or Australia, not through another travel agent, and you're not paid in full, most likely I can still improve on that offer for you, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries only. You may contact me today at the phone number down below or submit your inquiry via the website affluentjourneys.com. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That helps me a lot. And also put your comments. If you've sailed in the suites here on Oceania, I'd love to hear about it, and so that way others can read and learn about your experience and decide if it's something that's right for them. Lastly, Give me a follow on Facebook. I put all of my special deals, including those on Oceania, on the Affluent Journeys Facebook page. That's very important. And give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things that I do there as well. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And please stay tuned for the next one.